Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to invite a friend to play online on Nintendo Switch. On the home screen, click on your profile icon in the top left corner to navigate to your account page. On your profile page, you'll see a 12-digit friend code under your name and next to your picture. It will start with SW. On the left-hand menu, scroll down to Add Friend and tap Right to open the menu. If you've received any friend requests, check the Received Friend Requests page to see them. Now, on the Add Friends page, choose Search with Friend Code. Enter the 12-digit friend code of the person you'd like to add, and if it's valid, they'll receive a friend request. You can select Search for users you've played with. Your Switch will generate a list of users that you've recently played with, and you can send them friend requests. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.